Sister Wars, punch, kick.
Whoa. Abby, you gotta sing. And you didn't lose your voice.
No.
Just go, Sister Wars. Go.
Pretend you're Abby's voice.
But you gotta lip sync.
Lip sync.
Oh yeah, and you guys make sure it's punch, kick, grab. This is bite. This is grab. Grab, bite. You're getting the actions mixed up. We have to get them perfect.
We wanted a TV show, yes.
Yeah, Abby. Abby, I can tell what you're saying. Should we fire her? Because she's really, really bossy.
Well, we don't have any other hosts. Just
Yeah.
we fire her. Unless I have a fake person going.
Okay. And action. Sister Wars, punch, kick, grab, bite. And presenting in the left corner, Abzilla. Oh my goodness, Abby. You have to say these are my puppies.
These are my puppies.
Abby, I'll say it for you if you lip sync
I can say it for her. These are my puppies.
Abby, are you doing it? Okay, and...
Here, I'm going to do it by myself.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sister Wars, punch, kick, grab, fight.
And presenting in the right corner, Amtrocious.
I'm going to squeeze your face so hard that your eyeballs pop out.
That's it. Warning, PG. Bye.
I forgot to say I was in jail for 10 years. I'm in jail, guys. That's fun. That's fun. It's so fun. Like this.
Emily, it's not as fun without Abby. We need another person. I promise I won't be as bossy. I'm sorry.
Find an imaginary friend in Terrence, but not Terrence.
Yeah, you can fire me.